Good morning, students. Myself Yogen Singh, and I'm present before you with a class 6 lesson Fair Play. It is a story written by Munshi Premchand, and actually it has very fine story. And the title of this original story is Panch Parmeshwar. But here in your book, it is in abridged section, so its name is Fair Play. The story is like this. There were two friends, Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary, and they were very good friends and they support each other at every time. Once it happened that Jumman's aunt came to Jumman and she told Jumman that now I am not able to take care of my property, and as there is no one to look after it, will you please help me? So Jumman said, very good, you take me property and I promise you to look after you and provide you with food till your death. On this agreement, auntie transferred his property to Jumman, and up to 2 years everything was very good. But after passing 2 years, Jumman's behavior had changed towards his aunt. He had become indifferent, and even his wife had started to have a quarrel with auntie. And she take aunt as the burden. Now they were not willing to provide her food. At this, one day aunt went to Jumman and tell him, Jumman, now I think that your wife and you are not happy with me. Okay, then provide me monthly allowance so that I would have my separate kitchen and I can make food for myself. At this, Jumman said, no, you don't know anything about running the house. My wife knows better. I am not providing you any monthly allowance. At this, auntie became angry and now she went to other villagers. She complained. Some of the villagers asked her to make an agreement with his son, and other advised her to go to the panchayat. So auntie went to the panchayat, and in the panchayat she nominated Algu Chaudhary, the best friend. Though Algu told auntie that, auntie, you know, Jumman is my good friend and I cannot go against him. At this, auntie said that, okay, it is very good that Jumman is your good friend, but I am also Jumman's aunt, and you cannot kill your heart for friend's sake. So the panchayat held, they listened the case, and now Algu Chaudhary gave decision. Friends, it was a fair decision. You know, when somebody becomes panch, he takes each and everything and then he takes decision. And a panch also to be quite justful. So Algu Chaudhary gave decision that either Jumman Sheikh will provide aunt a monthly allowance or the property would go back to the aunt. At this, Jumman Sheikh was very angry with Algu Chaudhary, and now two good friends had become enemy. Jumman Sheikh paid to the aunt, but he stopped to talk with his good friend Algu Chaudhary. After 2 or 3 months, One problem was with Algu Chaudhary. Unfortunately, one bullock from his pair had died, and he sold another bullock to Samju Sahu of the village. Samju Sahu had not given him the price of the bullock at the same time. He promised to give him after 1 month. But unfortunately, the bullock died before the month. When Algu Chaudhary went Samju Sahu, he denied that no, I won't give you money. You have given me a sick bullock. So now Algu was troubled what to do. So he went to the panchayat again. This time, you know who was nominated the head punch? Samju Sahu knows very well that now his friend is his enemy. So he nominated Jumman Sheikh the head punch. So now Jumman Sheikh had to take decision. But after becoming head punch, Jumman realized his responsibility. He thought that did I take wrong decision for my personal enmity? No. I will have to take right decision. And that's why Jumman Sheikh take the decision. And you know what was the decision? He tell Samju Sahu that you have to pay the cost of the bullock to Algu Chaudhary, because when you buy the bullock was quite fit, and you use it for 1 month. So it is not to blame Algu Chaudhary. That's why you have to pay the price of the bullock to Algu Chaudhary. To hear this decision, you know, student, Algu Chaudhary was very happy. Hurriedly he went to Jumman Sheikh and hugged him. Now both the friends have forgotten their enmity, and again they have become good friends. This is your story, Fair Play. And you know, student, when some responsibility comes to us, it makes us that we must be quite fair. We must be very honest to our duty, and we must respect each and every decision of others, taking it to the right notion. And we must be fair every time. That's all. I hope you understand your lesson. Thank you very much.